The Pano Router, a joinery machine like no other, makes fine woodworking fast, foolproof, and flawless. Perfect fitting mortise and tenons of all sizes. Variable space dovetails in any array. Precise box joints. Compound angles made easy. And any custom joint you can imagine. Go from setup to glue up in minutes. The magic is in the motion. The pantograph arm follows templates and cuts joinery at half scale for incredible precision and unmatched safety and control. 2-in-1 templates cut both parts of a joint, guaranteeing a flawless fit. Guide bearing is trapped for foolproof mortises. Bearing rides the outside of the template for matching tenons, with tapered edges allowing tiny adjustments and guaranteeing a flawless fit. Other templates deliver the same precision and repeatability, with amazing dust collection for zero mess.
Kaizen, which is the Japanese term for continuous improvement, we mounted our segments on a back plate where we can put them together to form a fixed spacing or separate them wherever we want on the template holder to create those variably spaced dovetails. We're very conscious of packaging with our Panda Router and accessories. You'll notice when you receive your Panda Router that there's no styrofoam used for packing or padding. Everything in it is recycled and recyclable. And to that end, we did want to have a way to store your dovetail templates. So we did make this plastic tray. We made it much heavier duty than was required just to deliver it, and so that it can rest in your drawer and keep everything well organized for the future. It comes in a package of 8 so that you can use as many as we had with the steel dovetail system, or as few as you want for your particular project. We also include a couple of extra screws and nuts because, you know, those find their way under a workbench from time to time. Using the new templates couldn't be easier. We simply scribe a line, then set our bit to that line, set a backstop so that the bit's not going to back out, then follow each of the vertical channels with our guide bearing, and that cuts our tails. Then take it to the table saw, take our finished box to the table saw, and slice off the lid in order to make a little wine presentation box. Thanks again for watching. We hope to see you back in the shop real soon, and happy Panda Routing!